Welcome to the installation video of the 4WC-DB charging drawer. We will be demonstrating in a face frame cabinet. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a bubble level, a tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a charging drawer, an anti-skid pad, a cable carrier arm, Bloom soft close slides, Bloom release triggers, rear Bloom brackets for face frame cabinets only, a large bracket with 2 screws, wire clamps, figure 8 brackets, number 8 by 1/2 inch truss head screws, number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, 1/4 14 by 1/2 inch screws, and an instruction sheet. Align the right and left Bloom triggers to the pre-drilled holes on the bottom of the drawer using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Secure the figure 8 brackets to the pre-drilled holes on the front of the drawer using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Install the cable carrier arm to the pre-drilled holes on the left side of the charging drawer using the number 8 by 1/2 inch truss head screws. Attach the wire clamps to the arm with the 1/4 14 by 1/2 inch screws. Start with the first hole toward the drawer and then secure to every other hole after that. Next, feed the outlet wire through the clamps. For frameless applications, skip this next step. For face frame applications, place the rear Bloom bracket on the back of the Bloom slide and place in the cabinet. Line up the front of the slide so it's flush with the cabinet opening. Make sure the slide is level and parallel to the side wall of the cabinet. Mark the front 2 holes at the front of the slide, and then the 4 outer top and bottom screws on the rear bracket. Pre-drill using your 3/32 inch bit. Repeat on the other side. Next, take the large bracket and remove the 2 screws. Line the holes up with those on the rear of the left slide, and then reattach the screws. Attach the rear brackets to the back of the cabinet using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Attach the slides to the face frame using the same screws. Repeat on the other side. Place the drawer inside the cabinet. Attach the cable carrier arm to the large bracket that is secured to the left Bloom slide. First, disengage the locking mechanism by pulling out the 2 plungers. Second, place the plungers into the large bracket and push down to re-engage the locking mechanism. Now, ensure the Bloom release triggers underneath the drawer engage with the Bloom slides. Center the door to the cabinet and mark the hole locations. Pre-drill using the 3/32 inch bit. Attach the front of the drawer to the figure 8 mounting brackets using the number 8 by 5/8 inch wood screws. Place the anti-skid pad into the drawer. The unit can now be plugged in. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.